Welcome, welcome.
Hi everyone,
This is Fun,
I'm Fan.
and welcome to the College Show. We're going to be exploring a few colleges and majors, and our first one today is engineering.
Mhm.
So, describe to me a little bit about engineering. What's it about?
Okay, so my major is industrial engineering, and it's located in College of Engineering, of course. And also, industrial engineering is mainly describe the how to improve the efficiency of companies to help them to make more money, and yeah, use a different way like computer science, human factor, and improving the manufacturing.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Fun, I know you're in industrial engineering.
Mhm.
So, tell me about some of the classes that you have to take in your last 2 years of college in order to get the degree.
Mhm. So the first classes I want to talk is manufacturing processes one. It helps students to understand how industrial engineering to improve the processes of manufacturing. They need to use a lot of machine like computers, and they need to calculate the processes of manufacturing to help companies to improve their efficiency and of course help them to make more money. And the second courses I want to talk about is industrial engineering design. Students in industrial engineering need to work in a team, and they need to find the problem of the factory, and also they need to solve this problem, like use a lot of energy, use a lot of knowledge that they learned before, and yeah.
Cool. After you get your industrial engineer degree, what kind of jobs are you looking to go into? What are available?
Okay, I'm interested in manager of in human resources, but in the students in the industrial engineering also can do the manager of the factory, since the industrial engineering really related to a lot of fields. They also can do accounting, and they also can do like psychologies, psychology in the companies to like feed the problem in the workers to help them to get more belongingness to the company.
Excellent. Okay, Fun. So we've been taking a series of aptitude tests, like the Myers-Briggs test.
Mhm.
So tell me, what kind of scores for the Myers-Briggs test match up with people who are going to be successful in industrial engineering?
Okay, so in industrial engineering needs to be ESTJ, means extroversion, sensing, thinking, and judging. In the MBTI test, my result is ESFP, but I still think it will fit in this major very well because some students in the industrial engineering need to think about how the processes of manufacturing work, so they need to be thinking. But also some students in the industrial engineering, they need to think about the human factor. They need to be feeling. They need to think about others. And also, some students need to be judging things. They need to see the patterns in the manufacturing processes.
Mhm.
But also, some students need to be perceiving, since they need to receive a lot of information from others. So I still think I can fit in this major very well. Okay, so code requirements for the industrial engineering is three requirements. First, you need to attend a code meeting at this at the semester you want to code. And second, you need to complete the required courses with a grade of C plus or better in each courses. Third, code GPA of at least 3.2. I believe that everyone can do that. For industrial engineering, specific quantity reasoning course is Math 161. It's Calculus 1. and the specific science is chemistry 115 and physics 172. And also for technologies, they can be any from curriculum list. For industrial engineering students, they don't have any free elective. Oh, but also they have a lot of technology elective. Welcome to the college major show. We have a special guest, James. Let's welcome James. Hi, James.
Hello, fun.
Okay, I know you are College of from Science.
Yeah.
So can you describe your major to us?
Okay, so I'm in the College of Pharmacy in Pharmaceutical Sciences part. Pharmaceutical Sciences is about drug synthesis and drug design, along with how to get the manufacturing of drugs and how to get them onto the market. Purdue's program offers experience through internships, but encourages students to do more mentored research in the laboratory.
Okay, so what do you learn in this major, especially in your last 2 years?
The last 2 years, I'm mainly taking pharmacy classes and MCMP classes. The MCMP classes are geared towards the chemistry and biological sciences regarding human health and improving human health. And the pharmacy classes, for example, one of the classes we learn how to dose patients correctly, and along with the other classes, we also learn how to synthesize using chemistry and how to get them on the market. So, for example, one of my classes is Pharmacy 82900. The course title is called Dosage Forms 2. In this class, we learn how to deliver the correct dosages to patients in order to achieve the desired therapeutic
Okay,
effect.
James, what type of jobs from your major?
So, from the pharmaceutical sciences major, some of the jobs that I could end up in is drug synthesis and design, which is the discovery and synthesis of a new drug molecule. Also, from a pharmaceutical sciences degree, I can go into drug delivery, which is the design of new dosage methods such as tablets, injections, or patches.
According to SDS test, tell me what type of students will be successful in your major?
Okay, well, the SCS says for pharmacology that students that would be successful associate with the code IRE. IRE stands for investigative, realistic, and enterprising. My code for the SDS Holland test is ESA, which scored very low in comparison with IRE. But I still feel like I could be successful because with a pharmaceutical sciences degree, I can go into different types of jobs like pharmaceutical sales, which would be more of an enterprising and social. My core requirements are a minimum GPA of 2.75. Some of the minimum hours required are 12. Minimum semesters is 1. And for my plan of study, I need, for my quantitative reasoning classes, I need math 160-10. For my science course classes in the university core, I need bio 110, bio 125, and com 114. Foreign language, no. And I have 21 to 22 free electives. So, comparing pharmaceutical sciences and industrial engineering, they both have science courses. Pharmaceutical sciences has more chemistry and biology courses.
But for industrial engineering, we have chemistry and physics.
And pharmaceutical sciences is a science-based major.
Industrial engineering is math-based major.
And the main class classes for the major of pharmaceutical sciences are the pharmacy classes.
For industrial engineering, it's engineering course class.
The main difference between industrial engineering and pharmaceutical sciences is that pharmaceutical sciences will be designing and manufacturing drugs, whereas
Industrial engineering improve the efficiency of manufacturing processes. So for undecided students, why they need to choose my major, industrial engineering, because for industrial engineers, they can choose a lot of jobs. So students will have a lot of opportunities to get their jobs. Also, industrial engineering is very interesting. It's not only used in companies, but also they can use in life. They can improve the efficiency of life and make life better.
and why would you want to choose pharmaceutical sciences? Because it offers a wide variety of jobs to choose from, with drug design, drug delivery, uh, manufacturing side. You can even go into the pharmaceutical sales side. Uh, you can contribute to the improvement of human health. So it's a good idea.